Hello everyone and welcome back to another video today, where today I will be showing you some updates on the orchard and also the grafts that we did at the start of the year, as they're starting to develop some little shoots and branches. So we've got some grass and that growing nicely on the orchard floor, and some nice blossoms and fruit coming on some of the apple trees. So let's have a look. So this tree here is a Brayburn on a M9 rootstock, but as you can see, it's got some pollen coming on it with the flowers for the bees. We've got some fruit coming. We had loads more flowers on this, as you can see, but the rain has wiped them off. But we have some grafts that we did on here. This variety is called Howgate. We got sent the scion wood by Cumbrian Homestead, so I'll leave a link to his channel up here in the cards so you can go and check his channel out. So we've got some nice buds coming on here. That one's quite a nice one. This one's called Engremont Russet. We didn't put any wax on here as we ran out, but I don't know if you can see, it's starting to shoot. This one here, another Engremont Russet, is dead here, but I've just scraped away some of the bark and it's still green, so it may have a chance of this very low bud here, if the camera will focus, on sprouting. So here we have Lord Lamborine, nice shoot there, and the one with the biggest shoot is Kings of Pippin. It looks like these are the only shoots on here, but there is other buds swelling up as well. So altogether, our first attempt at grafting has done very well. This tree is also looking quite nice with some fruit on it. Next to this tree we have a Sops in Wine cider apple bushing up quite nicely. These all need mulching and the grass clearing away here, but this little one's got some blossom on. I decided to leave it because I don't know what the variety is, and I don't normally leave blossoms on, but I just thought I'd see with this little one. Got this from the council, so don't know anything about this tree, but hopefully it will grow. This part of the orchard is probably the thinnest from grass, but with the rain we should have some grass sprouting. This is what's growing all on its own. This is got some weeds in that, but they'll clear up because we keep mowing it. We've got some bluebells coming in here as well, but yeah, it's starting to grow nicely now. All this self-set grass. We've got some grass seed as well to add on. Planted 2 new trees. That one is a Gala, and we also have Laxton Superb here. That's a nice little tree. All these are on 106 rootstocks, apart from these 2 big ones here. This Cox's Orange Pippin, lots of blossom on, lots of fruit setting. As I said, with all these trees, the fruit setting and the petals have blown off, but this did look really, really nice. So that's a good one. Same with this French Golden Delicious. Quite an upright tree this is. Got some nice fruit coming on that. Also, the Ida Red, not doing as well this year as predicted. This one sort of got neglected a little bit, but it's coming back better this year. This is a Cox's Orange Pippin on a 106 rootstock. Very nice tree. Good buds coming on it. Still need to mulch these, but we'll get to that later. Here you can see the grass is really growing here. You know, we're not after a lawn or anything perfect, you know, it's just to keep the weeds down and for easy mowing. We also have, I believe this is the James Grieve. Very nice. Come in there. And then over here we have the Discovery. Not the best tree in the world, but you know, it's growing nicely. And here the grass is looking very, very nice. All this area here was like these plum trees, like this wild damson type sort of plum thing, you know. It was just shooting up suckers from everywhere, and they came out all the way up to that Ida Red there. So, you know, we've cleared quite a lot for our new trees. I might as well update you on the rootstocks. I've got some wood shavings here and some more grass clippings mounting up around them, but these things are shooting very well. So if you don't know what we're doing with these are apple tree rootstocks that we're cloning. So as they grow the new shoots, we'll put mulch around them so they'll root into that, and then we can cut them off. So they're definitely growing well. Quite happy with them. I'll leave a link up here to the video on when we planted them. And this James Grieve apple tree growing very nicely. Lots of fruit spurs setting for next year. Sometimes you get more than 1 year, you know, so next year we'll have way more because the fruit spurs are growing this year. So we don't have that many blossoms, but the ones that we do have are very nice. And I predict, because there's not going to be mountains of fruit on here, that apples that we will get will be very, very big. So I look forward to growing some more apples in the orchard and, you know, eating some nice ones off this developed one. This is on an M26 rootstock. We're growing it quite upright. Well, it sort of grew like that, but you know, it's quite a nice shape, and it is my favourite tree, apple tree so far. So I just wanted to update you on our fruit trees. They're growing very nicely, like this James Grieve here. We pruned that in a previous episode, so I'll leave another link up in the cards so you can watch us prune this apple tree. Got some nice tips in there for you. So apart from that, thank you very much for watching, and we're really trying to push already for 1,000 subscribers. So if you're not already subscribed, remember to leave a like and subscribe with notifications on so you get notified every time I upload a new video. The reason we're pushing so hard for 1,000 subscribers is I really want to do more polls and questions with you guys on the community tab, and we need 1,000 subscribers to unlock that. So if you could help us with that, that would be very much appreciated. But for now and in the future as well, I'm trying to develop a Instagram page, so I'll leave a link to that in the description so you can go and check that out. And apart from that, thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. And if you want to watch my latest video, click up here. And if you want to see me when we first grafted these apple trees, click over here. And I hope to see you all in the next one. So leave a comment down below if you have any trees, apple trees or any fruit trees. And I guess I'll see you all in the next one. Bye bye, everybody.